Hello, I'm Fantoni, the Scar Ghost. Last week, Epic Games showcased MetaHuman Creator and Editor to create and customize realistic humanoid avatars. They seem incredibly real, and that video has become viral on the web. And ETR VR has created a free VR demo where you can go there and see one of these humans from close. So I'm very curious to try it, and I will try it with you right now.
I am a MetaHuman, the next generation of digital human powered by Unreal Engine. MetaHumans are high-fidelity digital characters created by you, the user, on our new content creation platform, MetaHuman Creator. I am fully rigged, ready for animation and motion capture, allowing you to work in context. With everything running live in Unreal Engine, my motion works seamlessly.
In Unreal Engine, my motion works seamlessly on other characters. I have 8 levels of detail and have been tested on a wide range of hardware platforms, from feature film to mobile. If you're interested in learning about my animation rig or high-fidelity deformations, built on Control Rig, the new strand-based hair system via the Groom component, or how everything is tied together and animated in Sequencer, then have a look under the hood in this project. This is just a glimpse of things to come.
So in the end, what I have to say about this demo, I think that it's super cool. So these humans are really realistic, very well made. The animations are very well made. So everything is top-notch quality, and it's probably the best avatars that I've seen in a VR demo until now. I have to say that also I didn't feel any kind of discomfort. I mean, no kind of uncanny valley. I didn't find the avatars disturbing. When I spoke with a guy from Epic on LinkedIn, I asked him about uncanny valley, and he told me that they work with Cubic Motion and other companies that are experts in avatarining, and they were confident there were no uncanny valley effect. And I have to say that he was right. I had no uncanny valley effect. So the avatars are incredible. Probably for real life simulations are fantastic, and they are not disturbing. But on the con side, I have to say that probably I didn't have any kind of uncanny valley effect because my brain identified them as virtual. So I had no impression that they were real people. Like for instance with the volumetric video. I immediately identified them as super realistic avatars. So probably that's why my brain didn't feel uncanny valley, because it said, okay, these are avatars. Because the clothes, for instance, you can really feel that they're fake. Also because they are more attached to the body, the material doesn't feel like the real one. And even the face, you immediately spot that it is not real. So even if it is super cool, really, but not real enough to be identified as real by my brain. And also another downside is that this demo that only included one avatar already was pretty heavy for my PC. So I had some problems with the frame rate. So this can be a problem using this kind of super realistic avatars in VR. So pros and cons, we are still in the early days of VR, lots of compromises to do. But in any case, I have to suggest you to try this demo as well because it's incredibly cool. So it just take you 2 minutes and you can check out how next gen avatars may be in virtual reality.